Madam, ew, look at what our guy is chopping. Can you see the blue man? Blue man, Kiki. Madam. Madam, you know tell me say okay, come back.
Lower your voice. Sabalo!
Madam, you called me.
Come on, stand up from there.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Take this. This 40k. You go to Keja. Get me Techno C5 phone. Price very well. Don't come and tell me story that they cheat you.
Sorry, man. You mean which of the techno, man?
If you like, go there, let them cheat you.
Sorry. Oh, man, instead of...
Will you go to where I send you?
Madam, say you fine. Madam, good afternoon.
Absolutely.
Who got it inside?
Nobody's at home.
What about Sabaro?
Sabalo is not at home. I sent him to Ikeja.
96,000. 96,500. This money is not complete now.
Now we young, but Madam, you don't spoil. Hey. Oh, Madam, sweet Madam, tasty Madam. Ew. Madam, turn for me. Ew. Look at what our guy is chopping. You look very beautiful. You blow my mind, yeah, blow my mind. Madam, let's quickly, get down to business. Let me give you NSAS. Can you see the blue man? Blue man, Kiki. Madam, easy you.
Madam.
Calabash.
Madam, you know tell me say okay, come back.
Lower your voice.
Madam.
Hide. Look at me and hide.
Madam won't put me for trouble, Madam.
What are you doing? Come out from that place. Come out of that place.
Where do you hide?
Hide inside the bathroom.
If you won't back, let me hide in the curtain.
Leave the place. Go and hide inside the bathroom. Who is there? What are you doing?
Sorry, ma. The money you gave me is not complete. It's just 35,000 naira, ma. Remaining 5,000.
Take and go. What are you still waiting for?
Sorry, ma.
Yeah, we'll see you.
Apan.
Madam.
No, you're a good boy.
You're the best in the world. Madam, you sweet. Oh.
Yes! My madam sweet. Oh, cool. Madam, So you are sleeping with Okon, our neighbor house boy. Okon? So now you shop me, madam?
No, mbok. Madam, I dey chop you. Madam na bush me, na dog. I no chop madam. Na madam dey sleep with me.
You're very stupid. Come on, leave my house. Leave.
Madam sweet oh.
Hi, madam. I said it. When you sent me to Ikeja, to go and buy Android phone, I was like, no, this has never happened in my life. Madam has never sent me to Ikeja before. Madam, you are using 3 iPhone. That was what I was thinking. No, madam, there is something wrong. There is something wrong. Watch madam very well. I did not go. I decided to sit back. Eh?
So if I send you a message, you'll not go again, right? I don't... Go to your room! Leave my sight!
Madam.
What are you still doing looking at me?
Hi.
Sabalo! Come out! I've seen you've grown wings. I'll cut this for you. That your eyes are using to look at me, I'll plug it out for you. I've been seeing your behavior lately in this house. Right? You've forgotten how you came into this house. If my husband gets to hear about what happened today, I'll finish you. You won't be staying in Ipaja, right? Your brother in Keja. Oh God. I will finish you down to your generation. You don't know me. Let me hear anything pim from your mouth. You are finished.
Madam, sorry. I keep wondering why you are doing this. You are still very young. I feel Oga should have married somebody at his age, maybe old woman. Because you are still young. Let's say Asha will see your eyes. Sorry, ma.
Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Sorry, ma. I'm sorry. Ma, since you said I should not tell your husband, no problem. I will not tell your husband. So what if I tell your mother or your father? What if I tell them what you have been doing? Is it okay? I don't know if you will like it.
Obviously, you are mad. Let me hear pain from your mouth. Sabro, let me hear pain from your mouth. You are finished. I will kill you. Get out of my sight.
Sorry, ma. I was even okay.
Get out of my sight.
Sorry, ma. I was thinking, okay, if I cannot tell your parents, can I at least tell your pastor or my pastor? Sorry, ma.
God, stupid maid, did I bring you to this house? Let me hear pain from your mouth. I will finish you. Hey, this boy has known everything in this house, so what should I do with him? Maybe I should...
So, let's just stroll to...
Oga?
Oh, Sabalo.
Well done, sir. Sir, please, I don't know. Can I see you, sir? There's something I want to tell you, sir.
Is there a problem?
No problem, sir. It's very urgent. I need to tell you something. Very, very important.
Okay.
You see her? See who? The lady that was there.